What if I told you that a single number can quietly control most of your adult life? Where you live, what car you drive, how much money you pay, even whether someone trusts you. It's not something you see every day, but it's always there, working in the background. That number is your credit score. And the scary part? Most people never learn how it really works until it's too late.
A credit score is basically a rating of how reliable you are with money. It's built from your financial history, how you borrow, how you repay, and how consistent you are. Banks, lenders, landlords, and even some companies use this number to judge risk. To them, you're not a person, you're a score. The higher your score, the safer you look. The lower it is, the more doors start closing. Your credit score has a direct impact on your financial life. It determines whether you get approved for loans, and more importantly, how expensive those loans become. Two people can take the exact same loan, but one might pay thousands more just because of a lower score. Higher interest rates, worse terms, more limitations. A bad credit score doesn't just block opportunities, it makes everything more expensive.
Trying to rent an apartment? Your credit score might matter more than your personality, your job, or even your income. Landlords use it to decide if you're trustworthy. A low score can mean rejection, higher deposits, or stricter contracts. A high score, on the other hand, gives you more options, better conditions, and less stress. It silently decides where you're allowed to live. This is where it gets even more serious. In some industries, employers check your credit history before hiring you. They see it as a sign of responsibility and discipline. So even if you're skilled and qualified, a bad credit score can hold you back. You might never even know why you didn't get the job. The decision happens quietly, behind the scenes. Living with a credit system creates constant and visible pressure. You start thinking about your score all the time, even when you don't realize it. Should I use this card? Will this hurt my score? Am I doing this right? It turns everyday financial decisions into stress. And over time, that pressure can affect your confidence and how you see yourself. Here's the paradox. To build a good credit score, you actually need to use credit. You have to borrow money, and then prove that you can pay it back. If you stop using credit completely, your score can even drop. The system rewards participation, not avoidance. So whether you like it or not, you're pushed to stay in the game. Your credit score is just a tool, but in reality, it has the power to shape your lifestyle, your opportunities, and your future. The key is understanding it, not fearing it. Learn the rules, use them to your advantage, and stay in control. Because at the end of the day, you should be using the system, not letting the system use you.